सुपारी
सुपारी वो हमारा मम खाता है ना,
उनके लिए
इसका दांत थोड़ा कमजोर है ना, इसलिए
अच्छा है।
So in Buddhist we always do right clockwise.
ओके। और
जो भी हो मंदिर हो या जो भी बुद्धिस्ट का है, you always go right.
राइट कर जाने का मतलब क्या होता है?
तो राइट में जाने से हमारा वो मानता है कि पाप धुल जाएगा।
अच्छा।
We woke up early in the morning because today is the last day in Thimphu and we don't want to miss anything here. So much to cover in a day. So today we are going to roam around the city and we have a couple of places on our list. So let's go. This is one of the most visible landmarks in Thimphu, and for many Bhutanese, it's the focus of daily worship. Early morning is a great time to visit cause you get to see the people shuffling around the Chorten. An enormous golden Buddha statue can be seen from most parts of Thimphu, and a short drive through winding roads leads to the site. At first we went around the place and took some time to take in the majestic view of the Thimphu Valley. This is one of the largest sitting Buddha statues in the world, and the statue fulfills an ancient prophecy which is said to emanate an aura of peace and happiness to the entire world.
बाहरी तरफ वो नेशनल असेंबली।
We stopped here for a quick lunch break, and after that, we stopped by the National Library of Bhutan. The library was established in 1967 for the preservation of ancient Bhutanese literature on religion, culture, history, and social traditions. Our next destination is simply Bhutan, a highly interactive living museum that offers visitors a fascinating guided introduction to different aspects of the traditional Bhutanese life. This museum created and run by the youth of Bhutan. And that's a whole story and a whole vlog which is coming up next week. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Hoping to see you soon.